Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel. Today is the 6th of May and today is Bank Holiday Monday, and later on we're going to the balls with my brother because he is off nursery today. My mum's at work. So we're taking my brother to the balls. There's a play area right near our house called Jungle Tastic soft play, so we're going to go there later. But I'm doing a to-do list. So at the moment I've been forgetting so much and it's getting so ridiculous. But I've done a to-do list. So I've done a day, what things I need to do each day. So I've got, my first thing I've got to do is call the doctors to book a blood test for my nan. Second thing is I've got to do an important phone call and ask for something to come early. And then the other thing I need to do is wrap up my mum's presents because I keep forgetting that. And the last thing is I need to edit my video for my stammer video, so I need to edit that today. So that is what I need to do today, and then I'm going to do to-do list tomorrow, so what I need to do. So it's really handy because I forget things so much now. But yeah, and it's my birthday week this week. My birthday is this Sunday. I'm so excited. I can't believe I turn 19 in like 6 days. I'm so excited. Yeah, and that... I'm all dressed now, and we're going to the ball place near us now. Doing soft play. Make sure I take lots of videos and pictures, so it's going to be a really nice little day out today because it's bank holiday, so because my nan and myself couldn't stay in all day. But yeah, I've got such a busy week this week, lots of things to sort out. Yeah, I'm going to do all my phone calls, my to-do list when I get back home. So we're going to go to the ball place now, and I'm just going to get my shoes on, and then let's go leave for the day out. How am I supposed to climb up here? Hey! A slide, is that a slide? There you go, forwards. Woo! Breathing. Ready, Morgan? Woo! That's it. Come on then. Yeah, you're second. There on the TV. You're first. You're going to be first. You're in it. I know, yeah, look, we've just got to do this first. Done, look. Good boy, a big spoonful.
There's no more, I need to do all the spoonful. I'm washing my hands off in there.
It's fine.
It's nearly gone.
Well done.
More.
Yeah, more in there, yeah.
I'm wearing it.
Look at my short sleeve, Morg. Oh. I love you. You love me. We're happy family. And a big hug. I'm looking. Oh, my baby.
I have a cake.
Yes. I've all got my bike, yeah? Okay, so we're on our bikes. I've got my big bike, and Morgan's got his bike, his Spider-Man bike we got for Easter. And we're going to go on a bike race, aren't we?
Where?
Are you ready?
Where?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. My bike's a bit rusty. Come in.
Go on then. Go on.
Come in. Yay!
That's it.
Hello guys, so I'm now in bed now. Today has been such a busy day and a really tiring day as well because I went to still play with my brother, then we did some cooking when we got back. I was playing in the garden with him for a bit, but I'm not going to see my brother for 3 days now because he's at nursery, so we're seeing him on Friday next, so that should be good. Then me and my nan are getting our nails done on Thursday, so ready for my birthday on Sunday. Very excited. I don't know what I'm doing that for. But I am going to end today's vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel. Today is the 7th of May, and it is... At the moment, I'm just cleaning the windows. I've cleaned the outside ones, I've cleaned the kitchen one, cleaned my room, cleaned the sitting room ones. And now I'm doing my nan's bedroom one, which is like a double, it's like one big window and a little small one at the bottom. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and I'll put my phone somewhere, I'll record it. Please ignore this spot, it's really annoying me. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to do the room. I know they don't look dirty, but I want them to look nice. This is our new grass, look, the grass look lovely. Yeah, so I use a chamois, one of these and one of them. So we'll get everything off here and then I'm going to do the windows. So let's go. windows look much better now. Yeah, all done. Orange and passion fruit J to over, huh? I'm just having this lemon cheesecake ice cream dessert, and it's one of the nicest desserts I've ever had. It's so delicious. I'm normally not a fan of cheesecake, but delicious. I'm out quite thirsty tonight, so I've got a different cup. I've got a bigger cup because I felt really thirsty. I've got a cup of tea, of course. This is the Saffron Barker cup from her range. I literally love that type of mug though. I usually use my best friend mug, or my best friend got me, but when I'm feeling extra thirsty I always use this mug, but I always use my best friend mug because I really love it. But yeah, oh man, I just went in the shower. I'm going to watch Geordie Shore because I love Geordie Shore now. It's very live, I just love it now. So I'm just going to watch Geordie Shore because it's episode tonight that was, and it's an emotional one. So I'm just going to watch it, and then that is all I'm doing. My cup of tea, and off to bed. So I'm going to go to bed now, guys. I hope you've all had a lovely day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 9th of May and it is a Thursday. I want to explain why I didn't vlog yesterday. The reason I didn't vlog yesterday was because I wasn't literally doing nothing. Me and my granddad had such a lazy day yesterday that I didn't do anything, so it was no point in vlogging. But I'm doing quite a bit today. So I am in a bit, I'm going to get my nails done and get some acrylics. Maybe I've got 3 colours of mine, I'm not sure yet. Either pale blue, pale pink or nude, not entirely sure, but it's going to be a really nice day. I like to get my nails done, get rid of these horrible nails. Just my birthday I was doing it for. My birthday is in 3 days. 3 days. It's in single digits now, it's so exciting. So yeah, and I just thought I'd let you know in case you guys didn't know, I'm going to be doing a weekly vlog as I normally do. And I'm going to be vlogging the last day of being 18, which is on Saturday, and then I'm going to do my birthday vlog, which is on Sunday. So the weekly vlog will be up for Saturday, the last day of 18 will be up on Sunday, and then my 19th birthday vlog will be up on Monday. So I'll let you know so you guys know what's going to happen to my channel this week. So yeah, stay tuned for lots of birthday stuff. So I was waking up and I've got some breakfast now from Frosties. I'm hungry. But I hope you have a lovely day, and let's go on with the day. Hi guys, so I'm just ready to leave to go to town to get my nails done. So I have actually decided, I did a poll on Instagram, and I'm going to have my nails nude. I feel like that'd be a better colour. I'm not sure how long I want them. It's just hard, isn't it, when you don't know how long you want them. When I get my shoes on, then because me and my nan go to town today. So I'm quite busy tomorrow and Saturday obviously, but that's why we went to go today. My nan was going to get her nails done, but she didn't want to now. Let's go and lock up, make sure I got my earphones. Yeah, got my earphones. Got my phone. Most important, of course, got my phone. Got my glasses. It's quite wet out here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go. I've just got back from tan and I got my nails done. I'm actually in love with them so much. This is in pink salmon. I didn't get nude because I checked my pole and it said baby pink. So I got the nearest baby pink I could find, but I'm actually in love with these nails so much. They're so pretty. And they're the perfect length for me as well, because I didn't want them too long, but I didn't want them like too short either. Perfect length, because I went everywhere in town and it was like 30 something pounds, like I'm not paying that. So I went to this other shop in town. It's only £26, so I'm really in love with them. But yeah, really good. Today has been such a busy day because I think my cat wants to be in the video. Yeah? She wants to be in the video, guys. Look at the video. Come in. Oh, she wants to be in the little video. This is Willow, by the way, guys. She's a beautiful little cat. Go up on there, look. Not going to be in the Oi! Stop that! She can be quite feisty. She doesn't like things in the way. But what I was... have a little sit down actually, because I feel quite like... I think I would love to see. Misty! She's there? I was going to show you two guys, but she's fast asleep. Oh, actually, Misty's here, actually. Misty! Here she is. This is my beautiful Misty. She's actually so cute. She's the friendliest and sweetest cat you ever meet. A little Lola. And then we've got Willow. She's not happy though. And we've got a little Tigger. I want to show you guys her. She's the softest little cat ever. She purrs when you don't even stroke her. As I was saying, so today's been so busy. I'm going to tell you why. So we went to town, went to get something to eat. Went to Burger King. I got a chicken royal burger with chips and a large Fanta, and my nan got a veggie burger with chips and orange juice. And we was doing the self-scan thing. And, right, so I don't like pickles or gherkins with my burgers. I like pickles on their own. I hate gherkins. And I put on there no gherkins, no tomatoes, and no lettuce. And they put everything in it, and I was so annoyed. I went up to the desk and I said, why is there all this in my salad, in my burger, when I didn't even want that? So then, I was talking to them for about ages and they just didn't understand, but they gave me a different burger in the end, so I was glad about that. And then it took us 20 minutes to find a nail shop, because most of the nail shops were fully booked, and I finally went to a nail place. I got my nails from, which was £26, and I was in there for about an hour and 10 minutes. I went in there at 2:20, but I didn't get to see till 2:30. I finished at 3:40, so not that long, but a little bit long. And then I finally got my nails done, so I'm really happy. I'm gonna have my cup of tea in a minute. We can get ready for bed. Can't believe my birthday is in. After tomorrow, it'll be 2 days. I'm super excited for my birthday now. It'll be such a good day, and I'm going to be doing a vlog on Saturday and Sunday. So keep your eyes peeled. I'm really excited. I can't show you all the cake on Saturday for my mum's birthday, so I'm really, really excited. And I'm just going to do my cup of tea, and I'm pretty much going to end the vlog there. But I all hope you've had a lovely day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel. Today is the 10th of May and it is a Friday. So it's quite late to be honest, it's about 10:50, but I'm going to the doctor's for my nan's blood test and then we're going to the car factory. I'm going to get my balloon blown up today because we're not having much time tomorrow, so I'm going to get the cake and that tomorrow. So getting the balloon done. This is my mum's balloon, by the way. It's got 40 on it because you didn't know she's 40 this year. So we're going to leave in a minute. Just need to get all my stuff ready. Earphones, glasses, my bag's out there. So let's go on with the day. So I've got my mum's balloon here. I got from the car factory. I got a weight. I didn't know if I needed the weight, but I did. So this is my mum's balloon. 40, and I got a black weight because it went with this, so I got that. I'm going to put it back in the bag now because otherwise it won't stay up. But yeah, and then my nan went to the car shop to get my balloons, so I went to the car and then she got my balloons. So yeah, got the balloon. Cigarette in her mouth. Look. Oh, that's so. Where's Ralphie? Ralphie! Ralphie! Hello! He's funny. He's got his toy now. Ralphie! You got your toy! Look, you got your toy! Oh, bless them. He's obsessed with milk. Oh god. Willow.
So we're going to get a big kiss for that. Kiss.
You've got a pocket, Morgan. You've got pockets.
Not going to do them for another day. I know I washed.
Yeah, those are a bit dry, aren't they? My hair is actually a state. Sorry? Yeah, of course, yeah. Just got the shower. My hair up for tonight. I'll make myself a cup of tea in a minute. A nice cuppa, a nice brew. Put water here. Right. She's really tired tonight. But yeah, I'm just gonna sort myself out, get myself a cup of tea, and I'll speak to you guys in a minute. You love it. I don't want to sing, guys, but it's a song. Shout out to my ex! You really got the man!
Hang on.
It's 10 to 12 now. I made myself a cup of tea. I went to I was watching something and then I forgot to make myself a cup of tea, but I'm making myself a cup of tea now. But yeah, today's been such a random day and a really nice day too. I haven't been bored literally once today, which is actually a change. I'm going to watch Geordie Shore the reaction in a minute. But I am going to end this weekly vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm watching my iPad. I hope you all enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. My last day of being 18. Mad. And then, yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for the vlog, for last day of being 18. It's going to be weird doing vlogging on a Saturday. I'm super excited. So make sure you tune in, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.